Hey, today I'm going to be showing you guys which fishing lures work the best. So in my experience, I have bought a lot of lures. Like when I was little, I'd buy salamanders, I'd buy shrimp, I'd buy crawfish. The reason is I thought they were cool. And while they may work, some of them work, it's better to take after what works best. And if I suggest for anything that works best out of here, it would probably just be a normal dark worm. Red, black, this might work. These definitely work. They work pretty well. Like, you could also put a bullet weight on them. Do the Texas rig, I think it's called. That works really well. Something else that works really well is if you're aiming for bigger stuff and you're more experienced, just a diving shiny crankbait, that works really, really well. I've caught my record with this. He was maybe 5 or 6 pounds. He was big. That worked really well. And it's a bonus when you find a lure and it works really well too. Like, I found this, I don't know, some lake, and it worked really well. I've caught 5 or 6 fish on it, and I've only had it for maybe a month. But those all work really well. If you're looking for something to get, it comes in a pack of 3. I don't have the other 2 right now, but these are really good. They worked super well. Can get a hook out of anything. Reach down in there and hook it out. I normally don't use bobbers, so I don't really have much on that. You can buy a fishing set, like this. This works really well. There's some pretty cool stuff in there. Let me show you 1 second. See, like there's all sorts of spoons and plastics and hard plastics. Those are pretty good sets. But in my experience, what has worked best for me is definitely a diving crankbait, such as this one. I think this is on Amazon for $6. Oh man. This one, I think this is also $5 or $6. This is at Bass Pro. I think it's $4 or $5 maybe. They're pretty good and they're really helpful. Yeah, that's mostly it. Just these guys work pretty well. The long, dark rubbers, they work really, really well. I suggest having something like this, a bullet weight, and then one of these hooks. This works. The head, that's a weight with a hook on it. That works really well. If you're into micro fishing, what has worked for me is this. It's a little bit dirty because I used it today, but that works. This one works. Tiny torpedo. This is at Walmart. I do not suggest buying it. You can't cast it at all. This works okay. Yeah, those work really well. If you have any extra questions or comments, you can comment them and I'll answer. This video is for freshwater and bass. Freshwater fish and bass and that type of thing. I could do a saltwater video later. I will do a saltwater video later, just not right now. Okay, well, that's really it. If you're watching this, thank you so much. Please consider subscribing, but I will not be pushy on it. Thank you.